Is your AC not cooling properly? Facing HVAC or electrical problems in your building? One call can solve it all. Rose River Technical Services Dubai of Dubai's trusted team for complete HVAC, MEP, appliance maintenance, and general maintenance solutions. From chiller systems, VRF and VRV, package units, AHUs, FCUs, split ACs, cassette and central ACs.
Need installation, testing, commissioning, maintenance, or urgent repairs? Our skilled technicians deliver reliable service with the highest professional standards.
We also provide complete ducting solutions, including fabrication, installation, air balancing, and grill installation.
Keep your indoor air fresh and healthy with expert AC duct cleaning, sanitization, filter replacement, and kitchen exhaust cleaning. Plus electrical works, washing machine repairs, refrigerator maintenance, wiring, lighting, and fault finding.
Choose Rose River Technical Services, your complete maintenance partner in Dubai. Call now